Uсть-Kamenogorsk Valve Plant Joint Stock Company is the biggest manufacturer and supplier of pipeline valves. It is the only company in Kazakhstan which manufactures oil field equipment. Products of Uсть-Kamenogorsk Valve Plant Joint Stock Company include wedge and gate valves, disc and check valves, return valves, oil field equipment, ball valves. Wedge valves are used as locking devices in oil pipelines. They are also used in manufacturing schemes of pump stations and tank farms. After switching on the electric drive, its rotary motion transforms into reciprocal motion of stem and wedges. In the uppermost position, open, the wedge goes out of the opening of the valve, letting through the transported fluid. In the lowermost position, closed, the wedge goes down, closes the opening completely, and blocks the transported fluid. Gate valves are used as locking devices in oil pipelines. They are also used in manufacturing schemes of pump stations and tank farms. After switching on the electric drive, its rotary motion transforms into reciprocal motion of stem and gate. In the lowermost position, open, the hole of the gate aligns with the opening of the valve, letting through the transported fluid. In the uppermost position, closed, the gate closes the opening and blocks the transported fluid. Check valves are designed for preventing backward flow of the transported fluid. After the fluid makes contact with the slide moves forward and the valve opens. The valve closes under the pressure of the backward flow of the fluid and under the pressure of the spring, which presses the slide to the seat of the body. Timely closure of the valve and presence of the dampening chamber prevents the occurrence of a dangerous hydraulic shock. Return valves are designed for preventing backward flow of the transported fluid and for safe equipment operation and safety of the maintenance staff at the pump station. The fluid flow holds the clack valve in the position open. After the fluid stops, the clack valve closes under its own weight. Tilted position of the seat provides good closure of the clack valve before the fluid flow goes back. It prevents the clack valve from hitting upon the seat. Oil field equipment is designed for fitting of oil and gas wells. It includes wellhead assemblies, casing heads, and Christmas trees. Wellhead assemblies are designed for connection of adjacent casing pipes projecting from the wellheads, with the purpose of sealing the circular space amongst them. Casing heads are installed on the landing flanges, or wellheads, and are designed for sealing and control of fluid pressure in the circular space amongst tubes and flow tubing. Christmas tree, including a T with gate valves installed into it, is mounted on the casing head sub and is used to direct and adjust fluid coming from the wells through the quick change choke into tubing manifold, to install special sealing devices and lubricants, to control well operation through installation of devices on side strings of Christmas tree. All the products of Uсть-Kamenogorsk Valve Plant Joint Stock Company comply with the quality standards of the highest grade.